Okay, so here we are again. Today was a pretty difficult day as I had um, four stop losses and more mistakes. It's good because I made mistakes that I can solve, and I know that most of them are because I just want to win or to earn. But yeah, I just have to learn from that and keep working. Okay. So first of all, EU, um, we had a downtrend after this break, having rival liquidity here after this break up, and well, probably liquidity with these equal lows here. I don't usually look at equal lows, but I'm seeing that trading against them is being um, like they usually fuck me. Okay, so well, I was looking for a buy here, at least to take this high, which was the round liquidity with this S&T and everything. But it did the play out of timing, so nothing at all. And then we had here round liquidity being taken, and the structural change was here, which it didn't give any entry, I think. No, nothing at all. So yeah, as you can see, Asia low, um, open price and everything. I don't know if I have to look at these things. I should study much more so about these things. So yeah, I don't know. I prefer to and wait for the liquidity to be taken. GU, well, the same. We had all these equal lows here, here, and well, here, but I was looking at those. And well, after taking this round of liquidity, I was looking for a sell and then for a buy after taking this round of liquidity here, but it took those lows and it moved up. Okay, so wanted to sell here as there was nothing to the left, but never came back and took round of liquidity on one, as you can see here. Yeah, nothing. It was all mitigated, so yeah, nothing at all. And then I waited for the break obstructor here, dragon liquidity on M5, and well, I had a stop loss. It was out of timing, but not that far. Yeah, not that far. It was, well, the confirmation was here, but I entered here. Okay, but as you can see, the engulfing candle is here. It took this low too, so yeah. But well, having all these equal lows, had a stop loss, and then it went up. It took the lows and boom, it exploded. And then in the afternoon, we had a break obstructor here. After taking, yeah, this liquidity is the only one that I can see right now. Yeah, and it went down without any more confirmations here. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, we had all this liquidity here that we took this yesterday. Then rival liquidity on each one, rival liquidity on each one here. I wanted to look for a sell, but it never came back. Then I understood that this was an SMT, and it took the liquidity and even took this rival liquidity on M5, which is so relevant because it took this high here. Okay, so it took that liquidity, and then we could have looked for a buy, but no confirmation at all, and it went up. USDJPY, the pair that fucked me today. Well, the pair, not the pair. I fucked it up myself. But well, yeah, we had this real liquidity on H1 taken that took these highs here, and the break obstructor was here, so it even was real liquidity H1, maybe, yeah, no, this one. So I was looking for sells, but we had real liquidity on H1 here too that broke this structure, which wasn't, well, it was relevant because it took this high, so yeah, real liquidity here. And well, my first mistake here was to understand that this was a break obstructor, which it wasn't, because it's not clear. I need a clear break obstructor like this one, not these ones that just candles together. So I took these two trades in the wrong place and everything, and then it did the break obstructor to the downside here. No client, like the candles are not clear, not strong. It took the real liquidity here on M1, and I entered in this candle here. So it went down, and I didn't put break even after this low because I was expecting at least here, and it went up. And stop loss again, so these two stop losses are my mistake. And as you can see here, it started reversing with strong candles, not just like that. When we have these candles, it usually means that sellers are coming in, so it's not stopped yet. Yeah, so yeah, this is why it's important to look to the candles, okay? And then we had a break obstructor here. Well, yeah, here. No real liquidity taken. Maybe here, yes. Wow. This is what I like about real liquidity. It's so clean sometimes, but it is so difficult to see. And real liquidity here. So yeah, that's amazing. That's just amazing. And it went up again, and it took this high here. This high here, which was the real liquidity that broke the structure here. Yeah, so we took all this liquidity, and yeah. Then finally Nasdaq. I'm not trading S&P more because I think it's the same. Nasdaq, well, yeah, traders usually trade Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we had an uptrend, but during this day we had this break down here, and then this break up here. So I was looking for sells, but nothing here, and this buy had no sense because there was nothing to the left. It went up. This was out of timing, so nothing relevant really. And then in the afternoon, this was the real liquidity on M5. And well, finally took this. I don't know how they know that they have to enter here, but some people know, and that's not my problem, okay? But yeah, I don't usually trade Nasdaq because I need a lot of confirmations, and this type of person don't give that much of confirmations. So yeah, but well, this is for today, and yeah, I'm going to try to learn from my mistakes again. Yeah, I'm having all the mistakes with this account, but well, now I'm 95,200. this is it. Okay, so see you tomorrow.